In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Dropbox from C drive to D drive. If your C drive is starting to run low on storage, moving your Dropbox folder to your D drive is a simple and effective way to free up space without deleting your files. The good news is that Dropbox includes a built-in option for changing the folder location, and this is usually the best and safest method to use. To begin, open Dropbox Settings, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen in the System tray, and click the Dropbox icon. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once the Dropbox panel opens, click your profile picture or your initials, and then choose Preferences. This will open the settings window where you can manage how Dropbox works on your computer. Next, change the Dropbox folder location. In the Preferences window, go to the Sync tab. This section controls where your Dropbox files are stored on your PC. Here, you should see the current Dropbox folder location, which is likely on your C drive. Click the Move button next to that location. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose a different folder destination. Navigate to your D drive, then either select an existing folder or create a new one, such as D:\Dropbox. Choosing a clearly named folder helps keep things organized and makes it easier to find later. After selecting the location, click OK or Move Folder to confirm. At this point, Dropbox will begin moving your files from the C drive to the D drive. Depending on how many files you have, this may take some time. Larger Dropbox libraries can take quite a while, so be patient and let the process finish completely. It's very important that you do not turn off your computer, restart it, or interrupt Dropbox while the move is in progress, because doing so could cause syncing issues. Once the move is complete, Dropbox will continue syncing from the new location on your D drive. It should work just like before, but now it will be using space on the drive with more available storage. If you want the smoothest experience, it's also a good idea to make sure your D drive has enough free space before starting the move. That's all it takes to move your Dropbox folder from C drive to D drive and save space on your main system drive.